For the homies?
No.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z. How are you doing today, sir? No mirrors. Today we got a special day. We brought back Jake from State Farm. Just kidding, just Jake. Jake reached out, said he wanted to go for a ride, be a part of the escapades. I said, yeah, no problem, man. Asked him where his favorite restaurant was, and he came up with the spot. Stick around, we're gonna meet up with him here in a minute, and he'll tell you about it. Glad we're meeting old Jakey at the gas station, man. My light is solid. When it's solid like that, it means no good. It means you better stop and get some gas. Hello, Jake from State Farm. I'm gonna get some gas. I'll be right back. Let's be good to him. Let's put some 91s in her. For the homies?
No.
Jake from State Farm. How are you today, sir?
Doing all good.
Hey, for everyone watching out there, he doesn't work at State Farm, so don't ask any questions about insurance or policies or anything like that.
Do you get that a lot, Jake?
All the time.
All right, Jake. You wanted to come out? You wanted to ride today? I asked you a simple question. What's your favorite restaurant? You came up with A's Burgers. Tell me about it.
Yeah, they have 2 locations, one in Mission Viejo and one in Dana Point. It's my go-to burger spot.
What do you like about it?
Good prices, good food, fast, easy.
You go there twice a week?
Around twice a week, yeah.
You're an animal, Jake. When you go there, what do you normally eat?
Double cheeseburger, fries, side of ranch.
Which one we going to?
Dana Point.
You lead the way, son.
Sounds good.
A's Burgers, B's Burgers, C's Burgers, D's Burgers. Yeah, so Jake works at Epic Wings. Sounds like we're gonna get some wings after we eat these burgers, man. That's gonna be fun. It's like a 2-for-1 video. A's Burgers. I've never been. I've passed it several times and always said I'd be back. We haven't had burgers on the channel in a long time. Think about it. Can't even remember the last time. It's gonna be a nice little change.
Raise the white line.
To the white line. Do you think you can beat me?
Sure.
Loser buys lunch. Go ahead. You can inch up a little bit. You owe me lunch now. You gotta buy lunch today. I'm gonna let him win. Before we get too far along in today's video, I want to thank all the patrons, man. Thank you guys for your continued support. Really appreciate it. You can't imagine how much it helps the channel, man. Well, you guys wondering how many miles I have on this bike. Looks like I'm at 74,000. Hard miles. Let me remind you, hard miles. Dude, I don't give this bike much love at all, man. Can't even tell you the last time I changed the oil on the thing. But, I will get to 100,000. I will. It's just for some reason taking me a lot longer than I anticipated. A's Burgers, man. This place has been around since the 70s. All the reviews, man, point towards there. Cheeseburgers and burritos. Either way, we're gonna probably order way too much food, but we're gonna leave with a full stomach. So that's a bonus. It's always a bonus. A lot of you guys don't like that full feeling. You know, my wife hates it. She's like, don't you feel full and gross? I'm like, no, I feel full and awesome. He thinks he can get away from me? Come on. What's up, man? Z waited for the perfect moment to strike. Remember those days? Watch out for the bottle.
Hey, you want to go to a cool lookout point?
Yeah, whatever, go. Oh, there goes my transmission. Damn it. Jake's taking us sightseeing. You come up here a lot?
All the time.
For what?
I don't know, I always ride my bike down the PCH, and I always stop up here, get a little view spot, so I have to kind of chill for a little bit.
All right, Jake, man, I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, right down the street.
It's close?
Really close.
It smells like fresh cut grass. I love that smell. Is that it? Oh, this place is gonna be good, man. A's Burgers. What do you think, man?
For a little hole in the wall, I mean, it's alright. It's not bad. Say my #1 like double cheeseburger, In and Out. How do I compare? Yeah, it's like, it's okay. Nah, it's a pretty average burger.
Top 10?
Not bad. I'd say, yeah, like top 20.
How'd you feel about the carne asada burrito?
I say the carne asada burrito was about the same level as the burger.
If you were to come back here, would you get the burger or the burrito?
Burger for sure.
All right, Jake, you brought us here, man. We already know how you feel about it. Let me tell you how I feel about it. That burger, that was way up there, man. That might be one of the top 5 for me. And then the burrito, forget about it. That was amazing. I like that too. I'd come back for either one. We got 2 double cheeseburger combos and a carne asada burrito. I think we got out of there
Like 36 bucks.
36 bucks.
Yeah.
I'll be back. Good job, Ace. If you're in the area, check it out. All right, Mr. Epic Wings, let's go get an epic wing.
I'm down.
A's Burgers. I'll be back. Promise you. I promise you I'll be back. Everybody working there was super cool to us, man. I'm not even hungry. What are we doing? We're eating wings? I've been here before in a video.
I was working too.
That was the last time I was here. You know what's really good here? The bread.
Breads are delicious.
It's like Olive Garden breadsticks.
Breads are really good. All right, Jake from State Farm. Good day hanging out. Epic Wings. Oh yeah.
It's like dessert. The Atomic Wing's amazing. I like the bread, man. The bread here is so good. You guys like Olive Garden bread? You'll like Epic Wing bread.
Oh yeah. Homemade every morning.
I like it. Fun day as usual, man. Always a good time on the bike with your buds, eating food. Much love to the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. Thanks for your continued support. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. There you'll find everything that I use to make these videos. Support the channel partners. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, just consider them first.
All right, let's read a couple comments from my last video. I was attacked. The last one. If you haven't seen it yet, I encourage you to go over there and check it out. It was a good one. Top comment. The club. The Bales is gonna piss at your house. Well, I hope not. If she does, I'll piss at your house. How about that? Yeah. Second top comment. You wanna fight? That's gotta be the best Karen response ever. We should be fighting Karens, that's for sure. So the person that left the first comment, let's find theirs. Rider63. Be honest, Club has saved the day more than once. Club's a good friend, he's saved the day plenty of times. You are correct. I like this one. Let's read this one. This is from Chris Worthman. Watch the wild Karen in her natural habitat as she stops her car and shouts in an attempt to assert her dominance. That's a pretty good comment. I like that one. Let's read Jaeger Troops. Rubio's. Really? Johnny's not allowed to pick the spots anymore. Wherever the cursor lands is the comment that I'm gonna read. Let's see what happens. By Alex Victorio. Oh man, I'm second. Still a fan after all these years. My man. Thanks, Alex, man. I really appreciate you sticking with me for all these years. We've had a good time together, huh? Long journey. Make sure you leave a comment on this video because I might read your comment on the next one. All right, guys. Love you. Later. Bye.